Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to rename your PC in Windows 10. Renaming your PC can help you personalize your device and make it easier to identify on your network. So, let's get started. Step 1. Click Start, then click on Settings to open it. The Settings option is represented by a gear icon. Great. Now that the Settings menu is open, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Open the System Settings menu. From the list given, click the System option. Excellent. Now, on to the next step. Step 3. Click About. You'll find this option is the very last one at the bottom of the menu. Almost there. Now, on to the next step. Step 4. On the new page, you'll see the Rename PC button at the very top. Click this button once and a small box will pop up. Inside the box, you'll find an input box with the current PC name listed above it. Enter a name that identifies your PC here. Fantastic. Now, on to the next step. Step 5. Restart your PC. After entering a new name, click the Next button and wait a moment. If the PC name is approved, you'll be asked if you would like to restart your PC in order for the changes to take effect. Click the Restart Now button, and after the PC restarts, it will be renamed. Well done. You have successfully renamed your PC. Step 6. If you want to skip the restart process, you can click Restart Later instead. And that concludes today's tutorial on how to rename your PC in Windows 10. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.